All right, here we go, sled time. See here, it's December 31st, 2021. Gonna get some of the last sledding in before the daylight's gone and the rains come next week and we won't be able to do any sledding anymore. So might as well sled. Well, I got daylight. Yeah, still got nice ice, actually, and some tire ruts to go sledding through. And I could use the exercise instead of sitting in front of YouTube all day long. Go sledding instead. Oh, here we go. One more time. Are you ready? So am I. The ice rut. Woo! Not the best thing for this sled hitting the road. We're out of hole in the bottom. So far, so good. The other day, the snow was too powdery to really, skiers like their fresh powder, but it was hard to go sledding on it. But now that it's turned to ice, wow, it's like slick as snot. Good deal. Anyway, I'm starting to get cold, so I'm going to sign off now, and I'll have this as a memory. Talk to you later.